Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Things are not happening the way Mrs. Mshengu Mamchunu expects them to happen. Girl was livid. Remember that Umshengu decided to take Unqubeko ethuneni likaThuthuka, considering ukuthi Unqubeko is the reason why uThuthuka is where he is currently. And because Girl was not impressed, she decided to say, hey, angisakufuni lana in out of anger, saying that to Umshengu. Now, Umshengu has found peace in the arms of Doreen Majola. Yes, Umshengu has found peace in the arms of Doreen Majola, the very Doreen Majola that made sure ukuthi Mamkunu's sister is no more, because remember she died of heartbreak because of the infidelity. Now the same thing is about to happen to Umamkunu. Alright, sharp. Umamkhulu afona afuna nendoda yakhe, indoda yakhe ikaDoreen ayibuyanga. Mayibuya indoda iyaperforma, doesn't want to eat. Umshengu nje yenye into engabambeki. Speaking of ngabambeki, uThidi naye akabambeki. uThidi was not happy because of how uNdumiso acted when he saw uNqubeko. Remember, uNdumiso was angry how he saw uNqubeko, noFakazile, no Doreen Majola doing what they were doing, going on lunches and stuff, considering that uThuthuka is no more. Okay, like literally felt betrayed to good time, and these ones are betraying me. Why are they so happy and going all about their day, forgetting Uguti, my brother is no more, and it's because of them. So I don't know Uguti, the relationship with Uthidi Naye has gone down the drain forever. What I do know is that Yena no kata abasazwani kahle. Things are not going well at all. And the reason why things are not going well is because Ukatazile is refusing to pay the rent. However, Udongalgamavoso Ibona as a fair thing to say, you are at that place, you are gaining interest, you should be renting. How they will finally resolve that, we are yet to see. But Doreen Majola is playing the peacemaker between Unqubeko no Tatwaki. Ugo is working overtime to make sure that that relationship is mended, to an extent that there was a meeting where Unqubeko was able to tell it all and just take everything out, cough everything out to Umsheng. And because Umsheng also wants to please Doreen, Umsheng was the most understanding person. Hey, apologizing and not only apologizing with golf club invitations, but right now nje aku same level noNqubeko, something that we know ukuthi Umshengu hardly does. But it looks like uDoreen, she's the woman that she thinks she is, Shem.